All right, so today we're back on the Kodiak. It's been a while. I haven't made any videos about it, but I figured now's a good time to start. When we got it, it had sat for roughly 8 to 10 years. We're not exactly sure how long. The carburetor was junk, and a family friend had taken it off and misplaced it, so we got a new one off of Amazon. And it actually runs really, really well. Today, however, I am working on the headlights and the front end. We're going to get the rest of the body panels on it soon and all bolted together. Could not find anywhere that had the original Yamaha brand headlight housings, so it's all disassembled right now. Amazon, however, does have this Caltric set. From what I could tell based on the boxes, it is the same for a Big Bear and for a Kodiak itself. These are the new assemblies. Comes with everything you need. The only thing it doesn't have is your mounting hardware, so all of these I have pulled off of the original housings. They're pretty beat up. This does come with the clips for your standard self-tapping screw. I'm putting these ones back on. I believe it's for either an M6 or M5. So we're going to get these on and get it working, and we'll see. Now that the housings are reassembled, we're good to go. This screw was significantly stripped out, but I managed to use out of my Craftsman set just a little square head bit. I don't know if it'll focus on it or not, but be cool if it did. But it doesn't seem to want to. So I do recommend replacing the hardware if you have that option. Right this minute, I do not, and I want to see if we can get this all in and make sure everything works. So we're going to reuse what we've got and see where we can go from there. All right, now that I've found all the proper mounting hardware and got it all going, we've got the lights in and all the settings work.